Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is September the 10th, 2019. Here to give you all the news according to the charts and give you a little bit more optimism for XRP and why some individuals are looking for the price of XRP to soar real soon, all because of Ripple's Swell Conference coming in November 2019. So we're going to talk about that article, look at the price chart, and then make a determination if in fact price for XRP will move higher. Stay tuned to the end of this video and we'll give you all our expectations in the market for XRP as to what direction is anticipated to move, all by simply looking at the price bars and volume. Relatively easy to see, and the words that we speak, they're easy to understand. If you appreciate the content that we are delivering here on this platform, before you go, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification as well, because we definitely don't want you all to miss out on our forecast for these altcoins in the space today. So now, this article, XRP may soon soar due to forthcoming Swell Conference. Can it conquer 30 cents? So already, this could be a sell the news type event in the market for XRP. It has happened before. The last two times XRP or Ripple had their conference, the market in XRP did in fact move higher in 2017. And that's only because everything in 2017 shot higher in price. I doubt it was because of the Swell Conference, because in 2018 conference, the market in XRP plummeted and it didn't rally. Okay. So understand, for Ripple, this conference is the largest annual conference and has drawn support from many people like former US President Bill Clinton, ex-chairman of the Federal Reserve Bill Bernanke, and English scientist Sir Tim Berners-Lee, who invented the internet. I wonder where they're getting the money to pay those high-class, high-profile individuals. You tell me with a comment. Now, this year's Swell Conference will be held in China. Singapore is the city on November 7th through the 8th. Okay. This article tries to insinuate that XRP could be primed for a major recovery before Swell. They took an individual's tweet right here called Pierre, trying to bring it on the radar of his followers. Are we going to see a swell pump, or should I be sweet? By Ripple this year again was an easy and profitable long last year. Talking about buy. Keep a close eye on XRP for the next couple of weeks and months, and he has plastered a chart with XRP's price movement along with the logo for the conference, telling you all that he's very interested in price until we see that conference come to fruition. Now, it is okay to say that XRP does not soar during the conference, as this event merely acts as a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of scenario. So this article is trying to give you a bias or an opinionated on both sides of the coin, that yes, the market can move higher prior to this conference, or it can be buy the rumor and sell the news, meaning that nothing's going to happen prior to the conference occurring. Now, in that regard, XRP price soars a month before the event as investors anticipate major announcements from the event, but reverse course after the event passes. So you got to be in this particular coin way before the beginning month of November, and it's going to be 30 days. You got to be in this trade at least in October. So you have about 3 weeks to analyze the price charts, your particular situation, to see if you'll be able to capitalize on this move in XRP if it in fact happens. Okay. Now, this article talks about The price action after 2017 and 2018 shows a similitude. Now, during both years, XRP's price rallied a month before the event and then followed by a strong pullback after the event came to a close, meaning price moved higher a month before and price moved lower after the conference. Unfortunately, the same cannot be said for 2018. Now, the question is, after the Swell Conference, the price of XRP plummeted, even hitting new lows in 2019. So it hasn't been a recovery since the Swell Conference of 2018. So are we due for one in XRP? Possible. So as always, this is the article. Now, for our purpose is to show you whether or not it's probable that XRP can in fact see higher prices. So we're going to go into our price forecast for XRP. We're going to talk about what occurred from our last video to the current time. Okay. Now, the last time we did our video was on September 7, 2019, of which you can tell right here by this price target of our expectations. We're looking for the market in XRP to continue to see higher prices. That is our expectations. Now, since the 9th of September, the market in XRP has just been holding consolidational trading. 26.5 cents is that location that the market right now in XRP is finding a very hard time to break. But the reason why we are not going to change our prediction of XRP moving higher is because of the volume that is light on today's trading day. Taking a look at it on a longer time frame, the expectation in XRP is still looking for higher prices. Now, looking here at the weekly chart, I definitely want to preface what I'm saying. Looking at the current market action on this current weekly bar right here, and then on the following one tells me that the euphoric movement higher is not really there in XRP. Okay. The market continually from this weekly price chart is telling me that the market is not all that strong yet. Okay. Now, everything is contingent on 25 cents. So yes, we're trading close to around 25 cents right now, which is why you always want to have an escape plan just in case the market doesn't go your direction. But for us, we are going to keep our original analysis ongoing from the 9th of September, looking for XRP to continually give us a push higher in price. I just want you to understand that that push looks to be delayed somewhat. This market is still reflecting to what's consolidational trading, but amongst that consolidational trading, I can still see that the market is trying to continue to move into our price target area. Now, I think I said in our video from the 9th of September that 26.5 cents is the only thing that is in the way of XRP moving higher. Okay. So right now, the current price chart in XRP is telling us that the market is still going to hold this consolidational trading range, but the long-term trend is still for this market in XRP to try to continue its move to the upside in price. So that's going to be our expectations. We are not going to change our price target. We're still looking for the market in XRP to continue its move to the upside in price. I'm going to extend this out a little bit further, but we're not going to change it. And then we'll update you all on the next XRP video that we'll place on YouTube. So there you are. Do you think the Swell Conference for Ripple will push this currency price higher? Let us know with a comment in the comment section of this video. And as always, join us at our website, HueFinancial.com. Make sure y'all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all on the next one.